The gut doesn't work on its own. It's well connected to the brain. We hope to be able to better establish what is the relationship between the food and that particular health condition. Elite gut is important for high-value nutrition because it addresses a need for the consumer in Asia. I've always been interested in physiology. I was doing my postdoc in Aberdeen and using another model, the sheep, to study on the nutrition. And then I came to New Zealand after meeting a Kiwi, as you do, and came here, and we were able to get involved in projects that were more and more human-oriented. And from that, eventually, HVM came along.
The gut-brain axis is really central to what we're doing. This is a connection between the way we think, the way we behave, and what's going on inside our gut. And we know this because before exams we get nervous, have to go to the toilet, we get butterflies in our stomach, and this connection is really been understood for a very long time. And what we want to do is really be able to improve gut health, to improve general well-being through brain health as well.
We are working on better understanding the phenotype that is around Irritable Bowel Syndrome. It's not a disease, it's a syndrome that a lot of people in the population, Westerner or other Asian, will have.
The reason why Irritable Bowel Syndrome is so important for this project is that Irritable Bowel Syndrome is the patient group that you have to show a product has benefit in if you want to make a health claim in Europe and Asia and anywhere in the world for products that will help the general population. At the University of Otago, we're going to be working very closely with Nicole and the Elite Gut team to recruit people with Irritable Bowel Syndrome into our study, and that will enable us to understand Irritable Bowel Syndrome by looking at a range of samples and understand the mechanisms of disease.
One of the unique techniques that we're using in high-value nutrition is to look at the breath and what is present in the breath, metabolite for example. That allows us to have a window of what is happening in our gut, and that's an innovative way to study how food will affect gut function.
This high-value nutrition project is really very important because if you can take a product and add value to it through science, developing new aspects to it that improve health, then all of a sudden people will pay a premium for it, and that's going to improve our economy.
There are a lot of secrets in that gut that we have to unlock in terms of mechanism of action, knowing how food affects gut function. So if we're able to do that using advanced technology, then we can find some of those solutions that the food industry can take and market in Asia and other countries.